Well, good day everybody. This is Chris with the Ancient Scholar. I hope this video finds you all doing well. It is a windy late afternoon down here in southern New Mexico. I'm currently transitioning through Walnut Creek Canyon on the Continental Divide Trail, which goes up out there and over Bear Mountain. I'm about 8 miles from where I parked over at Little Walnut picnic area, and then I rode out a Little Walnut onto the Access Divide Trail, hit the Continental Divide, and then I've been on that ever since. And I wanted to make a quick video showing you all that I cut and installed the Fox 36, and I am currently dialing it in, having a great time. I can say with my limited experience, it's very stiff and very supportive and tends to want to stay upright in its travel. I am currently running 85 PSI in the air spring. That's down from about 120 that I was running in the Fox 34. And you can see that I'm not bottoming out at 85, and I'm actually probably going to drop another 5 PSI and see how it does. The Divide Access Trail has 3 or 4 big jumps, and you can do a nice big huck to flat. And that's just a great test case for kind of the most amount of high-speed force that I'm going to be putting into this fork. And as long as I'm not completely bottoming out on those big jumps, then I know that I'm making progress as to where I want to get things set. So I think I'm moving in the right direction. So as far as my compression and rebound settings go, currently I have got the high-speed compression all the way open, and the low-speed compression I have about 2 clicks from full open, so I'm running it fairly soft. As far as the high and low-speed rebound, I have got my high-speed rebound, I believe, set at about 4 clicks from full open. So I'm running it in the middle, so slowed down from full open. Just to provide a little bit of support on those big bumps. And then my low speed compression I have set, I believe, about 2 clicks from full open. So it's set to rebound a little faster on that lower speed stuff to keep it up a little higher in the travel, and to rebound from, fork, from pedal motion and kind of just those low speed movements. And I'll be fidgeting around with that off and on over the next couple of days, I'm sure, but that's currently where I'm at. And I'm having a real fun time with it, but I can say that it is substantially more supportive than the 34 that was on this prior to that. All right, everyone, thank you so much. I hope you have a great day doing whatever you may be doing. And I'm going to continue on with my adventure.